NDC ni me da ho girem NPP because majimi di usedi.
It was for her AGAINST TVGH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification. NPP, the NPP party, no, as I said, the communication, money communication, maybe a biomana, and then I go so. NPP, what is the issue? Because the same mistakes are NPP or Abayamono. Same mistakes are being repeated in opposition. Then you in semanu intentem. That's one of the issues. Kana on se nipa bakuka sema na or repeat kasa sema na one be yina no the people will think is take it say enukre. Ana mekasa Kelvin Taylor abeka say onu oye NPP ni. Na udi card bi abetudwa. Na card no fa card na hwe ne picture or card no so a utimi hu say fake Photoshop juma. Mutiase. Na fake Photoshop juma no. Now me expect say NPP as a party by now no. Mbeya release a kasa debut and throw Kelvin Taylor on kayen. Kada o ye say no enye no kre. And I say Kelvin Taylor say onu we child use ama Akufo-Addo edipin. Na ma beka say enye no kre. But say mo jai when na mo say Kelvin Taylor so followers. Na ko didi ko for 3 ma. It is encouraging the grassroots of NPP to betray the party. That is what is happening. The long silence of NPP with all the kind of propaganda Kelvin Taylor is doing, it is encouraging people to desert the party, to betray the party. And say nukrea, and that is maybe your silence justifies that it is the truth. But if it is not true by now, I said release our Facebook, and I said baby news, media houses, by now they are supposed to carry out the news. Say Kelvin Taylor is not a card-bearing member of the NPP. Kelvin Taylor is still claiming himself as a card-bearing member of the NPP. Saying, sir, the reason all this is about fighting against NPP, and then he say, muchro, and I say NPP draw, you can say, letter be a comma, a New York Post, say, Mumpam ni India. Well, but has Kelvin Taylor been a card-bearing member? Has Kelvin Taylor ever paid dues to NPP? That must be clarified and that must be out now for the information of the people. And yet, baby, I was saying, nema de as I say communication and ban 10 from NPP. Obit me sometimes take it 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Now where's any sikasemo? Oh yes, semanwa, sikasem letterhead more signature no. And what music AI class AI on generating response to nipa we mau say nipa we or try and trust or come AI will generate it for you less than 2 minutes. Nama fly same people NDC for beka say we say omuna omu first na mutimi say dey be NPP na ye you mu ye anu mu jasa na ko didi for dream enu de yenya de e busan for yehwe asensema capital kan yomrewe yehwe.
These are not castrated dogs. They are just following their emotions. And like Kelvin Taylor, you see what is going wrong in the party. Adena Abronya na police no. What did he do? Abronya need lawyers. Abronya lawyers, have they released a statement? Abronya is facing the court, is not facing the police. The police decide how to transport a suspect to court. It does not matter whether it's a misdemeanor case, whether it's a criminal. It does not matter. The police have every right to protect you. It is Ankabronya didn't see pick up a cheek and a police liba kotin and chenya and can come one come say then Abronya ba and a police liba can ho. You're not a cage muswa, my man was a pompo beginaga say one tiasie in 9. The police are doing their job. The police is your friend. NPP, the police is our friend. Let us respect the police. Let us do what is right. And I'm what a piting and a moo Jimmy and your young yanka dimuchi. Yet Yamma was a Kelvin Taylor diatem. Now, what Jimmy and Menya never bumpire mammo. What Jimmy and Fena member to Sabi. Monfre Abronya DC lawyer brase on release statement. Na on chama so call court na ede na judge ni gina so ka say wa remand Abronya. Sa na yetena wiase. Mo say 9. Le chipe. Mine say 9, oh le chipe. she pay $5,000. I say 9,000 and a mudi chiri. On the track out of seas, never these on do strike at all. He said the Sue ventra track. Just a man say in nine pim. And now, Motia Debakwa, moo, meh. The party has no focus. Jimmy Wayne needs to be kicked out of the party. The same as Owusu Bempamo, your leadership, the party's leadership, wine. Because here wait radio so Jimmy, or to Facebook Jimmy, or the IGP atem, only fact be if you say the IGP is corrupt, prove it. I have said so many people are corrupt, and I have proved it. Why is this fool not proving it? You can't just sit there and say, Ghana, no. Where is your evidence? So, because IGP a corrupter, prove to the world IGP is corrupt. This is the new Ghana. The resetting agenda is on. Everything has to be done right. Nansena President Tekasa, or say people are abusing social media, and we need to check the system. Intimia committee, when I know the law, I will know said the make biano minya den. I will send media dance here, but anything kwasiye bia ni Ghana bet me sue me. Because nobody can come before the court and say Kevin said this without the facts. On hinia o se medina temono onko court. On hinia o Ghana o se me ko medina tem. I also oyo on hinia dinisia konwa so no. Kelvin Taylor di matem me yo hene we gu me hu fin. On fa me wura court. Nobody, because everything I say no me won nyina so na aponchi we nyina so no. Mugu party my say nwan. My say toilet mu mmoa. Muni mu nyansa. Muni mu nyansa. Ka na e dia bronye bae no. Every person be a police air transporting the dinner about court. Nanka said that is the car they use, the Black Maria. Protection, 100%. In fact, so steady car they are bronye by and cry. The police were rather protecting our bronye. Imagine say, omo NPP mo mpa bronye asem. Abegina also mbeso bushi acid gunu ho. Anko bi hwengu abronye so. You people are just mad. You are stupid dogs. You speak anyhow. You just want everything to be about you. If it is not about you, Kelvin Taylor, and a Kelvin Taylor, yes, and a Kelvin Taylor is so okamo. Into more kasa, say, your party ni Kelvin, your party ni Kelvin Taylor. What's your for? Me NDC ni o, me da hu jirem NPP because majimi di usedi. Enti maka and debia meka. So obi o Ghana na o filisa maka se metia no, me di natem na ohunu se metiamra sa nipa no or all the rights to take me to court. I have never shied away from that. I have never shied away. And American Ametino, so be started come asem na bom ding at the casem at me. I can also see you because you need to prove anything I'm phone to me bomidino. It is a boy dear me and you'll be the Jamaica. I am my own CEO. It is an advice I'm my NPP for and say Kelvin Taylor is part of you. Nipa send it to Matina TV so I can say I am part of a political party. Kevin is one of us. Kevin has paid his dues. Kevin has his card. He's still an NPP member. Ain't it mo ka Kelvin Taylor sama mo se mo amunua. Mo asem na mo ka no. Me ka mo ho, me ye mo doba. Me ye party ni ba, me tua dues me kufu adu edi pen. Ain't mamon kan to say Kelvin Taylor ye outsider. Kelvin Taylor on kind Kelvin Taylor come home me MPP ni. The only difference between me and the money say me nyansa and na me tia ye ni ankase hu nipa. Ni enti kroma. Which year was that, Mr. P? And I'm going letter say mo de koma den boabia someone na edi mo party ninim. Say mo letter koma me yire company New York Times so mo yi me yire di. Adentra my company na me bie ye no. Meire is a shareholder. Inti se me criticize MPP. A whole political party. Boabia someone na edi monim. Etna see a press conference say ye throw letter command New York Times. That time no just say me froye. Erade. Bo mo jimi o. And I'm also go throw letter command New York Times say ye me yire di. A young man. I'm a yebo party member. Manye ni nyina wo Ghana ho. Sa anyoma ni nyina mo anye. Manye sa anyoma ni nyina. Sa mo ye. Did I leave the party? No. Me be jina baby ka say me mpe party ni biom. Me ka be jina baby ka say me nya MPP ni biom. Still me ka de hye me to. Me do baby ane me yi. Enti mo kasa ye. Mon kai dia maya in the past. It is a metiamwa. It is not going to end today or tomorrow. The day now me taking decision say I will nullify the party. Now will be any hole. When I took that decision, now will be any hole. I took that decision myself. Say until some party will make good. I will never stop. A miame ho party me guno. And think this is the time you people have to start thinking. Enti yari kokuo na kohyem. Bumbusa lawyer say adenti na yasa na kohyem